My video is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site Mithrilminer.top. Mithrilminer.top is a deceptive site that displays fake human verification statements that try to make users click on allow, supposedly to help users verify that they're humans and not robots, but to click on allow is definitely a serious mistake, because this would hijack the browser with a lot of advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of permanent push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you may be receiving plenty of these filthy and sometimes really scary advertisements in the form of push notifications. So to deactivate these ads, this is what you need to do. Access the menu, go to settings, then go to privacy and security in the left area. Go down to permissions and site settings, go down to permissions and choose notifications. Then you need to carefully remove these junk sites from the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. By the way, there is a program that can help you do all that automatically. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and begin researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.